Welcome, dear viewers, to our channel dedicated to health, wellness, and a journey towards a better lifestyle. Garlic, a staple ingredient in kitchens around the world, isn't just for adding flavor to your favorite dishes. It's also packed with numerous health benefits that have been recognized for centuries. In this video, we'll explore 7 proven health benefits of garlic and how to activate its full power. Boosts immune system. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to enhance the immune system. Consuming garlic regularly may help reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu. Allicin, a powerful compound found in garlic, has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections and strengthen your body's defenses. Lowers blood pressure. Studies suggest that garlic can help regulate blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension and related cardiovascular diseases. Garlic contains compounds that promote the production of nitric oxide in the body, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, thus contributing to lower blood pressure. Improves cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of garlic has been linked to improvements in cholesterol levels, particularly by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, and raising HDL, good cholesterol. The sulfur compounds in garlic are thought to interfere with cholesterol synthesis, leading to better lipid profiles and a reduced risk of heart disease. Antioxidant properties. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, such as selenium and vitamin C, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Antioxidants found in garlic help neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting cells from damage and supporting overall health and longevity. Anti-inflammatory effects. Garlic contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Studies have shown that garlic's anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce inflammation and pain associated with various chronic diseases, promoting better joint health and mobility. Supports digestive health. Garlic has been traditionally used to aid digestion and relieve gastrointestinal discomfort, thanks to its natural antimicrobial properties. Voiceover. Garlic helps maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria by combating harmful pathogens while preserving beneficial microbes, promoting optimal digestion and gut health. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that garlic consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, particularly those affecting the digestive system. Garlic contains organosulfur compounds that have been found to suppress the growth and spread of cancer cells, making it a potential ally in cancer prevention strategies. Incorporating garlic into your diet can unlock a multitude of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to supporting heart health and beyond. So why not activate its full power and make garlic a delicious and nutritious part of your everyday meals? Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and recipes. And remember, a clove a day keeps the doctor away.